Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for homemade digestive biscuits. So if you guys love digestive, you're going to be loving this recipe, and it's very easy to put together. So I'm starting with some whole wheat flour, and you have to use whole wheat flour. That's the main ingredient. Next goes in some icing, confectioners or powdered sugar, some salt, some baking powder, and we're going to mix that just to incorporate. Once it's well mixed in, we're going to go in with some butter. We want to cut this butter into the flour until it resembles fine breadcrumbs or it looks like peas. Once it reaches that consistency, we're going to go in with some milk. Now the milk would seem like if it's not enough, but trust me, once you mix properly, it's going to come together. Like, it looks like it's dry, but it will eventually come together after that butter and that milk mixes. It makes everything pull together as you're seeing here. So don't add any additional liquid until you're sure that you need it. Next, flour your surface and open out your dough. Make sure to flour it really well because you don't want this to stick to the surface. Roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, or unless you like it thicker. And I'm using my cookie cutter, and we're going to go in and cut some circles. All you have to do is place them onto your lined baking dish, and this goes into your oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. But before they go in, I'm going to take a toothpick and poke some holes on the top so we have that digestive look to the biscuits. Once they're done, they're really golden brown. You'll need to put them on that wire rack to cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for requesting it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!